Today is a very special day because I'm going to be. This is actually I'm going to be checking out tomorrow. It's my very last day staying at Vietnam. Maybe I'm going Malaysia with family. So actually, our room is 1504. So I will get a card, but it's already prepared. So I'll give you the card in a few minutes. And we got our cards. Not to mention, there are also 6 elevators in the row. And I'm going to take the low-rise lifts because my room is only in the 15th floor. Actually, this building has about 45 floors that looks high as a skyscraper. Then there is no brand, it's a generic. So it's here, and there's a, wow, flat screen TV in a lift. I'll be holding the door for family to get in the lift. I'll hold the lift door soon. Okay. And we must take the high-rise lifts to the outdoor pool. 27. So, yeah.
Press the lift floor, baby.
Oops. Then, okay, I press 15. I don't know what. 15. Okay, nice. It's actually a Nidec lift. Brand of this lift is a Nidec. Like EM Nidec. This is a real Nidec lift. 15. Here, our corridors for room 1504. Nice artwork showcase. And a room, I'm going to do a quick room tour before I'm going swimming. So 15, 12, 15, oh, cool artwork displays. Service lift, 1503, 1504, and 1506 family rooms. I'm going to 1505, but no, 1504. Wait. Xin chào. Yes, here we go. Now we have a canoe, and look at that toilet. It's so luxury. It's so luxury. It's a Toto and it's luxury. We have a bathroom in there. Good. And no bathtub, but for reference only. And here's look at the beds here. Look. And there is also a sofa in the room for you guys to relax even there.
Oh my God.
This is for television and language, so you. Oh my God, this is brilliant. You still got the JVD wave. Even it has the labels for Switch. There's no fan here. You guys are so excited. So I hope you enjoy this room tour and bye. I've tested the toilet features. Bye.